last time we derived up to electric field expression for electric field due to a dipole. But for today, let us continue with the torque experience or torque on a dipole in uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. See, first of all, you have to remember what torque means. Torque haibase karino haibase nang hana khanggadong. Aduna, as you recall, if you want to rotate any body, any object amasinang rotate tawge haib targadi, if you have an axis of rotation here, axis of rotation axis of rotation sidagi nang na distance r la pamapamda nang na force ama apply tawre. Direction of the force is here, force F is applied and the distance of measurement is r. Then you define torque as the cross product of r tau vector is equal to r vector cross f vector. This is what you have learned in class 11. 11 the yaw torque definition se. And a force into perpendicular distance. This is the definition of torque. Aduna, what you are going to find? We are going to find the torque acting on a dipole. How? Let us see how torque is being acted upon a dipole. Then let us try to recall how you draw. Now let us draw the electric field lines of the uniform electric field. It should be parallel and equidistant lines. Last time it should be parallel and at equal distance. Aduna, let us place the dipole here plus q and minus q here, and length of the dipole is twice a. Length of the twice a is the length of the dipole. And as you know from the definition of electric field, F vector is equal to Q times of E vector. Then if you have plus Q like plus QE vector, this will be in the same direction as F E vector, and this F vector, F1 vector will be equal to plus QE vector. Must be same direction as the electric field one. Then F2 vector will be in opposite direction. And that's F2 will be equal to minus QE vector. Why that direction is opposite? Because of this negative sign. As I've told you, this torque is nothing but magnitude of force. Either force into perpendicular distance. This is the definition of torque. Then magnitude of either force obviously QE QE. This is also QE, this is also QE. Magnitude wise, this is QE, this is QE. Then let us try to find a perpendicular distance now. Perpendicular distance let us draw here perpendicular. Let us draw a perpendicular here, and this angle will be 90 degree, and let this angle be equal to theta. Then masi mafam se A na maming tholasi, C na B na maming tholasi, N hai si A N se kya sangane adudi. Let us apply the vector resolution again. Vector resolution among pan mata agadi ke kai puthone kai length of the hypotenuse twice A. Ko theta is the opposite side twice length of the hypotenuse and sine of this angle theta, because this side AN is opposite to that of theta, and this AN will be twice A sine theta, twice A sine theta. Cái có đấy ta cái gì perpendicular distance of point twice A sine theta này, twice A sine theta से कोई ना twice AQ से पुंजिल लसे, twice AQ से पुंजिल बता के दी sine theta ले लेनी, sine theta ले twice AQ से कोई कहीं के माने हाई करे और आई मामांग ने सोन जिन्हें हाई करे डायपो मोमेंट twice AQ से डायपो मोमेंट P के माने और ना PE कहीं लानी sine theta, PE sine theta. So this is the magnitude of the torque. And torque की magnitude से सीता है, and सीधे के कोई ना dot product की definition, cross product की definition पान में था आगे दी a vector cross b vector है उसी कहीं के माने a b sin theta की form में ले रहे sin theta into n cap ने, and सब माने ना एक कोई ना सीधा b vector cross e vector ले बता आगे दी एक कोई ना a p e sin theta n cap है ना लागने p sin theta into n cap, and इधर आगे दी इसी से vector form में साथ ऊपर आगे दी in vector form का tau vector is equal to p vector cross e vector है. So this is the vector form of the torque experience. And see like that, and derivation see याम simple way derivation है. You just have to remember the definition of the torque, which is equal to magnitude of either force into perpendicular distance. Force anima QE sang perpendicular distance between just multiply the word. So this from this derivation, see derivation si khang lo matunda, there are several conditions to be implied. Sin imply to ko condition mayam le, and dipole si karamai thamgani, karamai thamakan the torque se maximum oigani, karamai thamakan minimum oigani have a condition, ani hum thong na kaido. Now let us take the first condition. Condition ahan condition policy. Let us imagine again. The fill lines are like this. Fill lines of the uniform electric field. The fill lines are parallel and equidistant. So this is E vector. Let us now place the dipole plus Q and minus Q perpendicularly to the electric field. Perpendicularly like this. So theta क्या होगा नहीं perpendicular in thamadi क्या होगा नहीं 90 degree होगा नहीं. Let us see how much torque is experienced. If theta is equal to 90 degree होता है आगे then tau से क्या होगा नहीं, tau should be PE sin theta नहीं सही कहा गया तो PE sin theta में तो क्या लाने PE sin 90 is obviously 1 नहीं मरा मतलब माँ से PE खत्म लेने. So this PE sin theta will be the maximum value of torque. That atopa orientation this again as our for the time being, this is the maximum torque to be experienced by the dipole when it is placed in the uniform electric field. Then second condition policy, first condition lower. Now let us think over the second condition. If we place the dipole such that plus Q is in this direction, minus Q is in this direction, then मागी केनो दो क्या हुआ है ने dipole moment की P vector दो minus Q to plus Q लाइन में P vector से left to right लाइन अदो इतना आगे दी सी केनो से P vector का E vector का same direction में लाइन में theta दो से जल्दी क्या हुआ है theta should be how much 0 degree का अदो दी second condition ना if theta is equal to 0 degree करमाई थमे तो दी parallel वाले थमे then tau से क्या हो रहा है PE sin 0 degree sin 0 जी obviously 0 नहीं ना सी 0 दूम तारे कतरा sin 0 नहीं नहीं तारे तो से मांगा साइड dipole से rotate तब कितना तो दी when there is no torque the body will not rotate खाई को अना करो तो कोई rotate तो रोते नहीं है let us think over this F1 will be in this direction, F2 will be in this direction. F1 and F2 का सीधे opposite direction that's minus चिन्ह ना करनी ना the dipole will not be rotating. It will just remain fixed. That's why this condition is known as stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium the labor kauni hai ba. Dipole se karam kana stable equilibrium the layer na ham ta ne when it is placed parallel to the direction of electric field. So let me repeat again. Amuka han haige under which condition an electric dipole is said to be in stable equilibrium when the dipole is placed parallel to the direction of electric field. This is one of the two conditions. Now let us think about the last condition. Condition ahum suba condition the colors. Ahum suba condition the kamai la ani have kan. Case number 3. Sumain thambagi mota minus q na som kan thamo plus q na som kan thamo adu iba taragadi dipole moment gi magi direction si som kan lei roidra p vector e vector na som kan sakre p vector ke e vector ke marak angle kya la ni adudi theta should be opposite oiramina 180 degree oiroidra because as you see from here e vector this som kan lei re p vector this one oppositely directed ni sina towards left, p sina towards left, e na towards right, then opposite vector singi marakta angle kya lai 180 degree yani ko adu oiba taragadi if theta is equal to 180 degree karamai thami adudi parallel oibra anti parallel oibra sumaina laibsi opposite direction da laibsu ko na anti parallel oiba kawi anti parallel oina thame tau se kya hoy p is sin 180 sin 180 value kaya no sin 180 value kaya no 0 ni jiso still your torque is equal to 0 aduna sida su dipole se dum rotate tawgiroi but mass is stable oigadra unstable oigadra khanse kamai le ni adui taragadi singa tang kaw gi se singa tang lotho ge se q1 se masai maina towards right side tani induri se q2 sina towards left side tani induri se f1 towards right, f2 towards left. Then what will happen to the dipole? Dipole is opposite direction is minus 11. But if some external agent x here, the sinus allow the electron is minus in the numbers, this is allow in the my rotate over. That's right. But that is stable weight, stable weight, right? I'm going to high f1, f2 was opposite directions minus in the when some agent is acting somewhere, it will just dislocate it. Get this dislocated. Otherwise, this is said to be in unstable equilibrium. So you have three conditions now. When the dipole is placed perpendicularly to the direction of the electric field, the dipole is said to be experiencing maximum torque. Then when it is placed parallel, it is said to be in stable equilibrium. When it is placed anti-parallel, the dipole is said to be in unstable equilibrium. Aduna high condition ahum se tongan masa ta na fazana khangado ko